Ask and you shall receive. Back again with another tutorial video. Last time I did a YouTube banner tutorial using Canva on the laptop, and since you guys love that so much and it was highly requested to do another one, I decided to do a YouTube thumbnail tutorial on Canva, and this time using the mobile phone. So it's your girl Destiny, and let's get to it. Now, the pictures I had used to create this, I had got them off Pinterest. So no, these are not my personal pictures. I just picked some that went with the vibe, went with the Valentine's Day vibe, and I thought was cute. So shout out to the beautiful girls that I use. Yeah. For starters, you're going to click on the search bar and type in YouTube thumbnail. Once you do that, you're going to click on create a blank. And then once you're on that blank, you're going to click the plus sign, type in grid. Click see all for grid, and I'm going to use the one that has the 4. And then this is where you start adding your picture. So click the add button again. And this is where you just pick the pictures that you want to use. And once you do that, just place them where you want to. It's helpful if you use the grid versus using, like, just posting the pictures on there and trying to angle them the same. I just find this better for me, at least. It may be better for you, but this is the better way for me. So putting the pictures and angling them to where they're all centered and in the middle. Getting that last picture with the vanity. Okay, I like this. We're going to click the add again, and then this time we're going to click on elements. Come out of that. I'm going to type in red gradient, and this is just to add a little more design to it. I'm going to click that first one with the Pro, and also with the Pro, they do have a 30 days free trial, so I would advise you to do that because the Pro feature, they have some good Pro features if you don't want to pay for it right away. So I like that. Then I'm going to click out of that and type bar in the search bar. I'm just going to get that first one, and I'm going to fix it up and then put it above the pictures that I have, and then just size it up to where it's like in the middle of all the pictures. I'm also going to change the color of the bars. So like what I got in mind is red, white. Get the correct red that I like, and then make that other one red, and then the other two, it's just going to be white, as you see me doing. Then I'm just going to space it correctly because some of it still looks a little weird. Well, that one looked a little weird. Got that together. Now I'm going to go in and add the text. I'm going to start with date night. And size it correctly how I want to do it. But for the red bars, the words are going to be in white, and the font I'm going to use is called Arabic. There it goes, Arabic. I don't know how to pronounce that, but I'm going to use that font for it. Next, I'm going to go to spacing and space the letters out a little bit because it was looking too bunched up, and I wanted to use some more of the bar. That way it doesn't look too plain and dull. And I had took the the boldness out because it was looking bold. I'm not going for that look. I'm going to duplicate that so I can just add it to all the bars, but just change like the colors and such. This one is going to be in red and say get ready with me. Also, I'm going to change the spacing in this one as well because it's too spaced out for my liking. So I'm going to space it out just a little bit and then make it bigger like that. Yeah, that looks good. Space it out. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Now, duplicate the next one. This one will say photo shoot. And I don't have to space this out at all. That one looks good. So I'm just going to duplicate that as well. And this one is going to be in red, just like the other white one. And it's going to say dinner. These steps are basically repetitive. It's just typing in the letters, changing the colors, and making them bigger, and also spacing them how I want it to be. But with this one, instead of spacing it out more, I'm going to take the spacing out. I will just take a little bit spacing out. That looks good. From here, I'm going to click the plus sign again, add a heading. I'm going to type in V-Day Vlog. I'm going to make it bigger and place it where I want it to go. Now I'm going to change the color. I'm going to change it to white. That way we don't have too much going on. Just want to keep it simple but still cute. Also, I'm going to change this font to Playfair Display SC. Now with this, I'm going to go to Effects. Right there. Then I'm going to do Shadow. I'm not going to do too much with the shadow. I like it as is. I'm going to position, align it. Well, it's already in the center. I was going to position it to be in the center, but I guess I already have it there. Now that I am done, I'm going to click the top download. And it's going to be a PNG, so I'm just going to hit download again. And once you hit download, it's going to automatically save to your camera roll, your photos, so you don't have to save it again. See? So yeah, that is how you make a YouTube thumbnail using Canva on your mobile phone. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and also if you want to see me design more tutorials, just leave a comment down below and let me know what you all would like to see next. And now catch y'all in the next video.